In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Hopper application not working. If your Hopper application is not working, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be because of your internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. If your internet connection is stable but still you're facing this problem, it might be because your application is not updated. In that case, you'll have to update the application. Simply launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for Hopper. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Hopper and tap on it. Now you'll be able to find two options over here, uninstall and open. If your application is not updated, instead of open option, you'll be able to find the option for update. Tap on it, wait for a while and your application will be updated. Once the application has been updated, your problem should be fixed. But if your application is still not working, what you can do is try clearing the cache of the application. For that, what you have to do is launch open the app library of your device, find the application for Hopper and long press on it. Now tap on the option App Info. Now you'll be led to the app info interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Find the option for storage and cache and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the storage interface. You'll be able to find two options over here, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on the option clear cache. After you do that, cache of this application will be cleared and your problem should be fixed. But if your application is still not working, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and reinstall it again. After that, try using the application and your application will surely work. So these are the ways to fix Hopper application not working. I hope this will work for you. Thank you for watching.